Hi, welcome back. I wanted to show you where to place files so that they can be brought up in your browser. The XAMPP folder is going to be under your applications directory on a Mac. It's going to be wherever you put it on a Windows PC. But the XAMPP folder will have a subfolder called XAMPP files. Under XAMPP files, there will be an htdocs folder. And then under htdocs, I've created a new folder called PHP. And that's where I'm going to place all of the example files in this series. So we notice that I do have a hello.html file. That's not really necessary, so I'm going to delete that now. And I have a hello.php file. And this PHP file is going to contain PHP script commands. So we need to have these files in the htdocs folder someplace. And then if you create a new PHP folder, we can create Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and so forth, and have our folders and files structured in a good way. Now, the web browser will not, or the web server will not serve PHP commands unless they are in the htdocs folder by default. So let's go ahead and look at Hello PHP. So here it is so far. It's basically just an HTML file. As we can see, we have an HTML wrapping a header section and a body section. And this is a very minimalist HTML file, as you can see. There's no document type definition or anything like that. There's no information in the header, no meta tags, there's no JavaScript. This is just HTML in its rawest form. In the body, I've got a paragraph tag containing hello from HTML. Now, in order to send PHP, or in order to tell the server to send some PHP commands to itself, we want to, first of all, tell the file that the following is PHP. And the way we do that is an open angle bracket, a question mark, and then PHP. And then we close that bracket with a question mark and a close angle bracket. Now, anything between this tag and this tag will be interpreted as PHP. It will run on the server. And at this point, I can use a PHP command called echo. And what this will do is echo from the server to the client whatever I tell it to echo. Now, I'm going to echo a string, and we'll start with the opening double quotes, and now I'm going to just tell the browser, or I'm going to tell the server to send the following string to the browser for display. I'm just going to say hello from PHP, like that. And then I will close my paragraph tag and close my double quotes. And now in PHP, I need to terminate every statement by a semicolon. So we've already learned one echo command, or we've learned one command in PHP, echo, which simply echoes whatever string I give it to the browser. So now if I save this, I'll be able to run this script just by going to localhost and then PHP and then hello.php. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here I am at the default XAMPP page. This is localhost, and localhost actually points to that htdocs folder. So if I want to go to the PHP folder, I can use localhost and then PHP and then just say hello.php. And now we can see hello from HTML and hello from PHP. Pretty neat. Let's go ahead and look at the source. If we right-click, this is Safari, but virtually any browser will allow you to do this. We can show page source. Now we can see, the writing is very small here, but we can see our web page, and we see within the body, I don't have a PHP opening and closing tag here. Why not? Well, it's in the source file, but the source file is as the browser interprets whatever is sent to it. So the first one, hello from HTML, is exactly what we typed. However, the second one, hello from PHP, is what the server is sending back to us to be displayed in the browser. And that's why we don't see the PHP tag. It's eaten up by the fact that the server is sending this line back to the browser. So we'll talk more about the separation between what happens in the client or the browser and what happens in the server with PHP as we go on throughout the course. Thank you very much.